Remembering Sergeant Michael Kunovich, you're looking live at the visitation for the veteran St. Johns County deputy who died last week in the line of duty. Loved ones and friends gathering ahead of tomorrow's funeral. Sergeant Kunovich collapsed and died last Friday night while trying to detain a man who the sheriff says was resisting arrest and who had been trespassing at a closed business on State Road 16 in St. Augustine.
18-year-old Virjilio Aguilar-Mendez is charged with felony murder. Immigration and Customs confirms he was in the United States illegally. And the arrest report says Mendez later told investigators he was afraid of being deported. News4JAX reporter Marilyn Parker joins us live from the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office with an update on the investigation. Marilyn.
You know, this has been an incredibly emotional week for this department. Then you add on a criminal investigation that we're still learning details about. Attorneys say that the sergeant's suspicion of the suspect, which started this whole thing, has to be reasonable. They're going to rely on body camera video because Sergeant Kunovich isn't here to speak for himself. Almost a week since the untimely death of Sergeant Michael Kunovich.
Sergeant Michael Kunovich succumbed basically to some medical issues that actually were induced by the struggle with our subject.
We still don't know the exact cause of death, but Sheriff Robert Hardwick says the sergeant acted by the book when pursuing 18-year-old Virjilio Aguilar-Mendez. He sits in jail, charged with the sergeant's murder.
He checked out with him simply to say, hey, why are you on this property trespassing?
Immigration attorney Jeremy Lesnitsky says the trespassing is a key part of this case. Does there have to be a sign that says no trespassing?
There has to be notice, and then that officer would have to have reasonable suspicion that he is in violation of that notice.
We want to show you the layout here through Sky 4 drone. The building with the orange roof is connected to the Super 8 motel, but it's not the motel. The blinds are closed and it looks like something is blocking the door. This is where the confrontation happened between Sergeant Kunovich and Aguilar-Mendez. We spoke to a Super 8 employee who says it also owns this property, but they don't have any no trespassing signs posted. However, we know the sheriff said Kunovich approached Aguilar-Mendez because it seemed suspicious he would be in the dark outside a closed building. The sheriff says the area sees prostitution and illegal drug activity, pointing to Kunovich's suspicion. He also says body camera shows the suspect tried to remove a pocket knife when Sergeant Kunovich was approaching him, but the arrest report says when Kunovich made contact, he tried to pat him down for weapons, and the suspect resisted and later tried pulling the knife after he was handcuffed.
Yeah, I think there's two main issues with this case. One is whether the officer had reasonable suspicion that he was committing a crime, such to detain him in the first place, or was this a violation of the Fourth Amendment, search and seizure? And then the second issue is causation. Did the resisting with violence cause the death?
Sheriff Hardwick told reporters his office is relying on information from the medical examiner, and he says the sergeant was not stabbed. There was another case similar to this out of Nassau County in 2016. Francisco Portillo Fuentes was in the United States illegally, ran from Border Patrol, and while Nassau County Deputy Eric Oliver chased him, the deputy was hit by an SUV and died at the scene. Portillo Fuentes' attorney told News4JAX today St. John's law enforcement has the benefit of body cam, which was not available in Mr. Portillo Fuentes' case. Video like this is invaluable to all parties in a criminal case because it is a historical account of the events that happened without influence from motive, bias, emotion, or human fallibility. You can be sure all parties will carefully dissect and evaluate the body-worn camera available to determine not just the initial basis for the encounter, but whether indeed Mr. Mendez was committing a felony at the time of this officer's passing. Portillo Fuentes pleaded guilty in Deputy Oliver's death and was sentenced to 12 years in prison. We reached out to Aguilar-Mendez's attorney, Rosemary Peoples, for a comment, and we're waiting to hear back. Reporting live at the St. Johns County Sheriff's Office, Marilyn Parker, Channel 4, the local station.